4 speeds. The 4-speed functions can handle any job with from smooth blending to powerful ice crushing. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe removable parts. 6-cup PerfectPour Glass Jar. Spout is molded for easy, spill-free pouring. Lid with pour spout and ingredient slot. Hinged ingredient slot lets you add in liquids and solids during blending, plus, hinged recloseable pour spout lets you pour with the lid still attached. Included components, manual. It's all in the name with the BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush multifunction blender. This premium blender uses 700 watts of power to pulverize ice and other tough ingredients to create delicious smoothies, shakes, and more. The QuadPro Blade is versatile enough to make iced drinks, soups, purees, and even crumbs, bread, cookie, or cereal, to use in other recipes. Use the intuitive 4-speed control buttons to find the perfect consistency. Then enjoy easy pouring with a hinged recloseable pour spout and PerfectPour Glass Jar. Plus, cleanup is easy with the Easy Clean function that uses the motion of the blending blade to loosen caked on food, and all parts are dishwasher safe. Fast and powerful blending, no mess serving, and easy cleanup. BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush is the only blender you need. Peak performance refers to the maximum power recorded for 100 milliseconds during blending. Top reviews from the United States. A fine blender. We do use this to make smoothies. We tend to make them pretty thick. It does take a certain amount of time to get the fruit to completely blend, and often we need to manually stir, but this is to be expected when making very thick smoothies. The blender seems to handle it just fine. I also used it to grind up dry the peppers for paprika. It did a great job, and kept the peppers rotating evenly so that the paprika came out evenly and thoroughly ground. This thing also cleans up incredibly well. It doesn't require any gaskets, and it has a wide base that is easy to open. I appreciate the heavy pitcher. We were having a hard time finding a blender at the local retail stores that was of decent quality and reasonably priced. I didn't think I'd ever buy a blender off Amazon, but I'm glad with this one that I did.